what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT. We experienced an error while generating images. So if that is happening to you, you're going to have to immediately close your ChatGPT app and then restart your device. At times what happens is that if you have been giving too much prompts to ChatGPT, it might crash. So make sure that there is a certain, distance or certain gaps while you are trying to generate images using ChatGPT. Next, head over to your Play Store. Let's go ahead and make sure that our application is updated. Search for ChatGPT. If you see Update, select Update and update your app. For the next step, long tap onto ChatGPT. Select the eye icon. Let's go ahead, clear the cache. So select Storage, Clear Cache. Now come back onto App Info page, then select Force Stop, then OK. Now, once you do all this, restart your device, launch your ChatGPT, go ahead, type in your image generation prompt, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.